Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Something is changing quietly. At first, nobody paid attention. Then a few people noticed. Now, people are starting to talk. Because behind the scenes, some Jamaican YouTubers are beginning to feel something they didn't expect. Pressure. And pressure burst pipe. And the reason why might surprise you. For a long time, Jamaican YouTube was predictable. You had entertainers, vloggers, lifestyle creators. Everyone stayed in their lane. No real disruption, no major shakeups. But then, Colaz Smith came in with a different approach. Not just content, but impact-driven content. Helping people, showing real situations, going where others wouldn't go. And at first, it felt refreshing. But now, it's starting to change the entire space. And here's where things get uncomfortable. Because when one creator starts doing something different, it creates pressure on everyone else. Suddenly, regular content doesn't feel like enough anymore. Just posting vibes, not enough. Just entertainment, not enough. Just talking, not enough. Because now, there's someone out there feeding people, helping communities, changing lives, and putting it all on camera. So naturally, people start asking, why aren't others doing the same? And that question, it creates tension. Now, here's what most people won't say publicly, but it's happening. There's a silent competition growing, not just for views, but for relevance. Because Colaz isn't just growing, he's positioning himself differently. Not just a YouTuber, but a figure, a presence, a leader in the space. And when one person rises like that, others have two choices. Number one, they can adapt, or number two, they can get left behind. But not everyone is reacting the same way. Some creators are inspired. They see what he's doing and think, maybe I should do more, maybe I should step up. But others, they're uncomfortable. Because this changes the expectations. And when expectations change, pressure increases. And not everyone wants that pressure. Let's be honest for a second. This isn't just about Colaz. This is about what he represents. A new standard, a new type of content, a new level of influence. And whether people admit it or not, that kind of shift makes others nervous. Because it forces a question. Am I doing enough? So, now the real conversation is this. Is Colaz Smith changing Jamaican YouTube for the better? Or is he creating pressure that others never asked for? Because one thing is clear. The space is changing. And not everyone is ready for it. What do you think? Is Colaz raising the standard or making things harder for other creators? Drop your thoughts below. And if you're watching Jamaican YouTube closely, subscribe to CCNWORL TV News because this is a channel where we break down what's happening in real time. If this kind of video interested you, see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.